Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 16XF. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen 16XF won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may arise from a faulty power supply or a malfunctioning component on the motherboard. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge while working on your device. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel off, you'll have a clear view of the internal components. Look for the power supply connector on the motherboard. It's typically located near the battery. If you notice any burn marks or the connector appears loose, this could be the culprit. To extract the faulty component, gently disconnect any cables that may be in the way. Be cautious and remember to note where each cable connects. Once you have a clear path, remove the screws that hold the power connector in place and take it out. Make sure to handle everything with care, as surrounding components can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the faulty component with a new one, reverse the steps to reassemble your laptop. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. Replace the screws that hold down the power connector, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping the screws. Finally, position the back panel back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Once everything is back in place, power on your device to check if it now turns on. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your HP Omen 16XF. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check your power supply and avoid using your laptop in areas with extreme temperatures or humidity. Keeping your device clean and dust-free can also help in maintaining its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.